Good afternoon, guys. Hello. This is Nelson TV. Check this out. Look. Okay. I have to water the grass. Okay, because it is what too hot. It's 90, I guess 95 pa degree. Okay. Alright, guys. Let's make it 30 minutes. Shout out to Jenny. So, shout out to Nens Vlog. Shout out to hang on. Shout out to Ghana in Africa. Shout out to Kalami Vlog. Shout out to Kalingap Turak. Shout out to Ka-Business Family and Ka-Business Official. Shout out to Papa Dins TV. Shout out to all Kagwangs, Intoy, by Papaya, Bong, Burnok, Buknoy, and also to Boss Dave. Shout out to Boss Dave. And also shout out to Junior Kagwang. Guys, I went to hospital to get Nanay Edith for her lab. Look at that. It's swinging. It's swinging. There you go. For her lab. Blood draw. Laboratory blood draw. Okay. Shout out to all my friends out there here, and maybe I could say like here, and all my friends in USA, in the Philippines, of course, in Japan, and in what is next? Yeah, it's hard to do two things while vlogging. I'm watering the grass, guys. I'm doing watering. Yeah. Kasi nga it will going to be what? Lanta. It will become dry. It needs to grow up. To grow. Oh God. Oh boy. Excuse my English, guys. Alright. Live, not live. It is how you call this? It is like it's not live, but it is I think let's make it like 30 minutes video. Yeah, we're gonna do live stream soon, probably next. Alright, guys. This is Nelson once again, guys. Check this out. Alright. My face is feeling haggard. A lot of things to do in America. Here in America, you have to do everything. And I almost got panic because when I was, this afternoon, we went to the Target, or not Target, Food Max. Those girls that I called Nelson Angels, they went up to the store and buy something. So, and Nanay is with me, and I want Nanay to have some fresh air. So I turn on the car, but I did not turn on the engine, so I lost the battery. Good thing I got the jumper. I asked somebody else over there, and the problem got solved right away.
Ano mo naman yung camera para makita ng binibinigan mo?
How? How? That is the problem, because I cannot able to, switch that back like this. There you go. See that, guys? See? That's what I'm filming right there. And that's the one that I'm watering. You see, guys? Look at that. Hmm? How the Carabao, the batut, then sipit na mamal, hold. And Susie also got that, draw blood. So at least I helped 3 people today. Ate Linda, Ate Bilma, and Susie and Nanay. Ate Bilma, I helped her, to get her, groceries. Susie, yung kanyang,
Hindi ka maano.
ayan.
Wala eh.
Guys, yeah, I tried, but it's not working. So you believe me now?
Patay mo muna. Bakit?
Pangit pag ganun. No, they want to see my face because it's always like, at least they are seeing my face though. So that they will know who is Nelson TV. Hello guys, this is Nelson TV once again saying hello to everyone. I love you all. See, good thing I got tripod. What is this? Holder from my GoPro. Guys, I watered. See that? See my other hand? There you go. Because it's been a while that I haven't, did this video, so I need to do it for all my viewers out there, sa lahat ng manonood, American people, Filipino people, Vietnam people, Philippine people, American people, USA people, and Mexican people. Shout out to all of you guys. I love you all. It's too hot today, guys. It's like here in America, it's 95 degrees. Is it degrees or Fahrenheit? I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. Yeah, I need to study more, guys. I'm not that, I'm not that smart. But once again, I will going to say this: blogger is not an issue. It's easy task. You have to spend time to this too. You should be at least, if possible, maybe at least 95% you dedicate yourself on doing this. Alright, 95 or 90, something like that. Am I wrong? Please correct me, guys. Alright? Because if not, how you gonna, you know, one gonna get, it takes time before your, we're going to be, sinasabi nilang, stable already. Guys, subscribe. Don't forget Nelson TV official. Please subscribe, guys. Because my main goal here of doing this is to, if I got something, alright, at least like, may pambuhay din ako sa sarili ko at meron din na there's something that, I could able to get, and then I will going to give it to others. So that is what they said, give blessing to others, guys, right? So this is Nelson, guys. Nelson, to all Nelsonian out there, please subscribe Nelson TV official. And if this thing is educational and you are enjoying it, please don't forget to press the notification button so that you guys will going to be updated to all I upload. And also please share and comment. Don't forget to comment down below, guys. Shout out to Jamaica, Indonesia, South Korea, North Korea, India. Shout out to Germany, Japan. Shout out to Venezuela, Canada, Africa, Mexico, and all the people out there who are, being my friend through social media. Alright, guys, what time is it? Oh, it's already 12:56, 12 minutes. And there's one thing that I have to do. I have to start. Can you guys see that right there? I have to start that car right there. That car. I have to start that because it's been a while being, being there without running it. So I have to start the engine for at least 15 minutes so that we could able to hit some other times. This water is heavy. Alright, guys, thank you so much for watching. And like what I said, thank you to all my subscribers. I already have like 273 subscribers right now at this moment. And I would like to say thank you to all of you for trusting me. Okay? Yung tayo tirit. Lakas ng kuha niya. Naka-jet kasi. Lagay mo sa shower. Naiinom pala ito. Naiinom yung tubig sa gripo. Napagod yung kabilang kamay ko. Ito naman. Okay, guys. Ito po, si Nelson muli po ay nagsasabing huwag kayong magsasawa. Okay, guys, at least about 30 minutes to water this. I think that's enough, huh? Enough? Yeah, that's enough. Tired, ang bigat eh. Hindi pa pwedeng hinahawakan lang. Pero talaga, nakakon talaga. Ang mahaba pala ito. Ang ganda lang kanya ihahaba. Yan. Kasi mabigat, baka masira. Peace be with you guys. Peace be with you. Alright? Peace be with you. And love one another. Share the blessings. And always don't forget to at least laban lang sa buhay. And I'm saying that I'm keep it up. Never give up. Alright? Okay. Alright. I have to make it 15 minutes. Or no, 30 minutes. At least. Siguro maski na 15 minutes. As long as you have more. Like 15 minutes and then it's going to 20 minutes. Next time it becomes 25 minutes. As long as you have 15, like 15, and I already have 17. Alright guys, I have to show my face so that you know who I am. This is Nelson TV po, mga minamahal kong manonood, mga minamahal kong mga Pilipino dyan, mga minamahal kong mga Meksikano dyan, mga minamahal kong Amerikano dyan. Magkakaiba man tayo ng kulay, tayo'y Pilipinong lahat. Ay, tayong Pilipinong lahat. Tayo'y tao lahat. Tayo ay tao. Nagkakabal na salita. Ito lang. So, I have to start the other car right there because I need that to be, warm up every day para hindi masira yung kanyang the wirings and the distribution of oil. It will go throughout their engine and basta bahala na kayo, alam nyo na yan. Alright guys, I have nothing to say no more, and this is all I got. And alright, thanks to all my friends in my former job. Please like and share my video. Please like and share to your friends also. And don't forget to press the notification button so that you guys are always updated to all my upload videos and shorts. And some are verses from the Bible. So whatever songs, I put it inside there to the verses. Guys, this is not what this is mine, no. This is just spreading out the word of God. Right? That's what, my goal. That's my intention. It's not I don't like the songs because I am like this. I don't like the song because I am on the other, church or other church or other church, too many churches, right? But guys, the motivation of that verses that I'm putting it to this video to my channel is like to spread out, of course, the contents of the Bible, which is the Word of God, and the Word of God is God. Dahil nakalagay, it is written in the Bible, the Word is God, is God, is the Spirit. From the very beginning, ang salita ay sumasa Diyos. Ganun po. Ayaw po natin ipagpatuloy yung mga iba kasi po tayo nag-aaral pa po, mga minamahal ko manonood. Hindi pa ako ganun kabiyasa at ganun kahusay. Kaya siguro pag dumating yung ganung panahon, I would say na I will stay in one table plus the camera plus the mic, and I will going to explain such a thing from, well, probably we will going to start one verses at a time and then with explanation as well. Thanks to all my subscriber out there, guys. This is Nelson once again. I don't know how am I look on this video. All I know is I'm doing this, of course, para mabuhay, to live, to gain a little bit financial help. But some of this we're going to be distributed to all the peoples that who are really in needs. Alright, guys, I think this is good enough. 22 minutes is fine. And alright, don't forget Nelson TV Official. Subscribe. In my channel, subscription is free. Alright, you're not gonna pay anything at all, you know. It's libre po. Libre. At doon sa mga gusto mag-subscribe, don't worry, I have to go to your channel. I have to subscribe you to. Back to back. Or front to front. Ganun lang po mga minamahal ng mga manonood. At hanggang dito lang po ang ating kaya. Sa ngayon, maliliit na, let's say, maliliit na video lamang ang ating kayang gawin. Nanginginig ko kamay ko, hawak-hawak ko to. Itong tripod pa tawag dito, or extension, you know. Alright, guys. Sana huwag kayo magsawa. Love one another, and I love you all. Okay? Oh, labasan na ng mga estudyante. Yeah. It's already like what? 2 o'clock? 2 o'clock in the afternoon, I guess so. So guys, yun ang lalabasan ng mga estudyante. Okay? Alright, guys. Hanggang sa susunod na araw, tayo muli magsasama. This is Nelson TV Official. Don't forget, subscribe, like and share. Okay? You see the surroundings, you see the kids from the school. You see that? See? Alright, guys. This is America. My living status is just a simple. No rich. No rich. No. I'm just simple guy. Alright. Alright, guys. Once again, peace to all of you, and love one another. God bless us all. Bye-bye.